in the cab of the John Deere S7800 combine, and is harvesting 12 rows of corn at a time. Great visibility with the updated cab, new style 2-stage meter where you can see your bin and the combine. And we're gonna visit with Robbie here. How have you liked the S7? A little bit of an upgrade over the S780.
Yeah, it's got some more features. Auger clean out, adjustable spout on your unload auger. I like that. Of course, these are the newer Gen 5 screens. We got those, I think, in that 780, but you see a lot more stuff at one time with these bigger screens. Cabs, I think the cab's nicer a little bit. I feel like you got a little bit more room. It's quiet. This machine here, I don't know if they changed anything. Maybe it's just our tire setup, but traveling down the road, it is the smoothest machine I've ever been in. Of course, we travel with our headers on because we have foldable 12-row corn heads.